One problem I've run into doing carpentry is how do you carry your flat bar in your tool belt? You know, it doesn't hang in the clip, it'll just fall right through. I can kind of tuck the long one through at an angle through the suspenders, and that works okay, but not great. It's kind of a little slow to get in. The short one's, I guess the short one works there too, but that's still not a great solution. It's kind of jabbing me in the ribs and stuff. So I would really like to be able to use my extra hammer loop to hold a flat bar. So I need something to modify this so that it holds a flat bar. So I think I came up with something that I'm going to try out, and I'll bring in the camera a little closer and show you. So this is what I've come up with to mount onto my tool belt so I can carry a flat bar. This is just 2 pieces of 3/4 inch oak, one with a little tab sticking out. You'll see what that's for in just a second. And then these spacers, they're what? They're scrap that I had laying around. They're 5/8 of an inch. So you could probably go a little thinner with those, but I had 5/8 scrap laying around, so I made them 5/8. So I'll show you how this works. This would be clamped in the tool belt. Let's see, let's get this over. So and then your flat bar drops in, and then this hangs onto the flat bar. So if I didn't have this, it would tend to jam up down in this slot. You know, when this curved piece hit the slot, it would kind of bind up in there and jam. So it would stay in there, but it'd be hard to pop out again. So that sits on there nicely. Works with the short flat bar as well. So I'm going to attach this to my tool belt and see how well it works. So this goes through like so, and then I'm going to tie this on there. I could zip tie it, but I got some wire ties, a wire tire, so I'm going to wire that on there, and then I should be able to just drop in my flat bar into this pouch or this hammer ring. So there it is. Let's try it out. So I've got my holder mounted. Let's see how this works. Yeah. Let's try that one. Yeah, the long bar is a little more annoying. It kicks you in the shins and bangs around. Yeah. I think this will be really useful doing deconstruction. So the past couple of years I've been working on helping my dad re-side his house. We've been doing basically a side every year in the fall, and it's got vertical shiplap boards, so you're going up and down a ladder and you're trying to carry your flat bar up to pry the boards with, and there's no place to put it. If you need to move something else, you hang it on the ladder and it falls down and hits somebody in the head. So this seems like it's going to be a great option. So, like I said, the big bar also works. A little slower, but hey, I'm happy with that. Really, it'd be nice to have a quick connect system for this, so it just quickly clips on and unclips, because you don't always need it. Sometimes I do like to put, say, a hammer tacker in this ring, but since I've got an extra pouch, I've actually got 3 hammer rings on this belt, so I could put my hammer somewhere else, or my hammer tacker. Yeah, I think it's a good addition to my tool belt. Doesn't add too much weight. So if you like this idea, subscribe to my videos, share this video, pass it on. If somebody wants one of these, I can make them one. You can make one yourself. It's obviously nothing particularly fancy or difficult, but yeah, I think it'll be a useful little gizmo. If you have a different solution for how to carry a flat bar on your carpentry tool belt, let me know in the comments below. This is just my idea. Maybe somebody else has already thought of it. Maybe you can buy them on Amazon for 25 cents and I wasted time building one out of oak.